God is absolute. He does not beget, nor is he begotten, and there is none like unto him.
My name is Rahim Bimani.
And my name is Amina Kanji, and today we'd like to tell you a little bit about our art installation.
So I've always been fascinated by Kufic calligraphy primarily because of its simplicity and its symmetry. My fascination grew further when I had the opportunity to visit the Lisbon Ismaili Center, as well as being surrounded by Kufic calligraphy at the Toronto Ismaili Center.
So the installation was created to educate and draw the audience's attention towards the significance of the 99 names of Allah. It incorporates both Kufic calligraphy as well as the elements of sound and light in order to stimulate the senses.
On January 26, 1989, His Highness Prince Amin Aga Khan delivered a speech at the opening of an exhibition on Islamic calligraphy at the Zamana Gallery in London. Quote, "It is the name that counts, and not the face. Hence the 99 names of Allah and the frequent references by Muslims to the names of the Prophet, to his family, to Imams. And for Muslims, contemplation of the written verses of the Quran or of the names of Allah and holy persons becomes an aesthetic part to a spiritual, a religious experience." End quote.
Allah, Ar-Rahman, the beneficent, Ar-Rahim, the merciful, Al-Malik, the sovereign Lord,
The motive on the base was originally designed as a coaster for the Aga Khan Museum gift shop in 2014. These coasters were taken to northern Pakistan and given to the Aga Khan Trust for Culture. They were then presented to a group of trained women who used them as inspiration to create scarves. The simple motive created opportunities for hundreds of women who are now employed.
Al-Quddus, the holy, As-Salam, the source of peace, Al-Mu'min, the guardian of faith, Al-Muhaymin, the protector, Al-Aziz, the mighty, Al-Jabbar, the compeller, Al-Mutakabbir, the majestic, Al-Khaliq, the creator, Al-Bari, the evolver, Al-Musawwir, the fashioner, Al-Ghaffar, the forgiver, Al-Qahir, the subduer, Al-Wahhab, the bestower, Al-Razzaq, the provider, Al-Fattah, the opener, Al-Alim,